So guys, how are you? In today's video I will show one unboxing of an Wi-Fi adapter named TP-LINK WN722N. I will give the link of this how you can purchase in Amazon. I will give it Amazon link. I will give it. I will give Flipkart also. From there you can purchase. This is an budget Wi-Fi adapter for doing Wi-Fi penetration testing, and the price is too low. Let's do our unboxing. I'm doing unboxing in front of you. Unfortunately in my home I am not getting any kind of scissor or plastic cutter which I can cut. That's why whatsoever. Here you can see I will do live, I mean in front of you I will do unboxing and see. And here you can see our Wi-Fi adapter shining like an ivory. And here you can see we have Wi-Fi adapter. This is rotatable. Let's remove this plastic, and if we keep this at side and open the rest box, here we can see one OTG cable, one cable is there, and one TP-LINK driver which we doesn't need. And this is the manual. I have never read this kind of manuals. How you will read through it? And our main thing is this, and I don't know how to use this, but no use, unfortunately. This is okay. Let's focus on this. This is an awesome Wi-Fi adapter for doing wireless penetration testing. uh, it supports package injection and monitor mode. Both mode it supports. If you directly plug it in your computer, you will see monitor mode and package injection will not support. We have to download specific hardware to support packet injection and monitor mode. And next video we will see how you can download specific hardware, specific driver for this TP-LINK WN722N. Okay, you like my this video. For till this video this much only. Make sure you subscribe my channel, and meet you next video how to install driver on it. Okay, goodbye.